What's up, guys? What's up? RC Nation back. Quick build update on the JLB Cheetah 21101 4x4 stunt truggy. Finally got all my electronics in it. Give you a quick look under the hood. Right. I went with the Ghoul RC 2850 kV motor. It's a 3670 size can. 80 amp ESC. This is pretty much the same one that comes in the ZD Racing or the JLB, this 80 amp version. 20 kilogram servo, I'm sorry. For these big meat eater tires, definitely need the torque. It's fast enough for what I need. I just slapped the receiver I had laying around in it. There's no gyro or TSM, just an old Traxxas receiver. I can already bind to TQI remote I use for the slash 4x4. Comes with steel spur gear. I think I've got a 17 tooth pinion in it right now. This is a slipper clutch also, so you just adjust it with that nut right there. Big bore coilover shocks, adjustable front and rear. Got the lights. I'm turning on real quick so you can. It comes with working LEDs. That's one thing I liked about the kit. Front and rear. So I built it overnight pretty much. You know, it's really like my second or third run with it. Been babying it so far. I've got it on 3S lipos. It's Traxxas 3S 5000 milliamp 25C 50C burst. So give me a second to get the hood put back on, and I'm gonna do a quick bashing video for you guys. Definitely gonna need the wheelie bar. It's a monster. Suspension is pretty good so far. You know, doesn't bottom out. A little adjusting. Other than that, I'm pleased with it. It's a pretty awesome truck so far. All right, let me get the hood on. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back, guys. The running video, first test run. Got to mention, I got a 120 amp ESC that I can also put in it to make it an extreme version. I'm going with the 80 amp so far. All right, here we go, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, smash that like and subscribe button. Like I said, we're on 3S lipo right now. Once the wheelie. Yeah, it's a monster. Like this ESC, you know, it's programmable, program card, got good brakes. And it's 4S capable, so I can keep this same speed controller in here and run 4S if I want to. Works great with this 20 kilogram turbo. The motor that I have in it, I know it's capable. I run it on 5S. Got it up to 73 miles an hour on 4S. But I have not run this on 4S yet. And these trucks run you about $340 ready to run. They come with 2 3-cell lipos, 4,000 milliamps. So you really can't beat the deal as far as ready to run. One of the fastest trucks I've owned. It could use a gyro, but I like to work. I don't mind no gyro. Makes you a better driver. Alright, I'm not going to make this video too long, guys. Appreciate you watching. JLB cheetah. Built, not brought. Appreciate you watching. Share the video, like, subscribe. Appreciate it. Stay safe, y'all. RC Nation out.